The Premier Soccer League newcomers Durban City FC have sensationally parted ways with head coach Gavin Hunt, cutting ties with the four-time PSL champion only 4 months after his appointment on 9 July. Hunt, who was tasked with stabilizing the newly promoted outfit in their debut top-flight campaign, lives with the club sitting 8th on the log after 14 matches. A return of 5 wins, 4 draws, and 5 defeats. While City have yet to issue a formal statement, sources indicate the club is preparing to announce his exit within the next 24 hours. Far Post award-winning journalist Mtokosi Sitube broke the story on Sunday, revealing the growing dissatisfaction within the Durban City camp regarding recent performances. Another report by Unplayable further suggested that Hunt and Chairman Farouk Kadodia had clashed over the club's long-term vision, recruitment strategy, and football philosophy. The tension is believed to have escalated in recent weeks, ultimately pushing both parties towards an early, unexpected divorce. Durban City's immediate challenge will be navigating Wednesday's away fixture against fellow PSL Rockies Orbit College FC at Olympia Park in Rustenburg, a test made more daunting by the abrupt leadership disruption. Despite his short stay at City, Hunt remains one of the South Africa's most respected coaching figures. His legacy traces back to the Seven Stars era, where he famously discovered and nurtured a young Benny McCarthy, now regarded as the nation's greatest ever footballer. Hunt went on to manage Hellenic, Morocco Swallows, and SuperSport United, where he achieved an unprecedented hat-trick of league titles between 2007 and 2010. He added a fourth championship with Bidvest Wits in 2016-2017, joining an elite group of multi-title coaches that includes Gordon Ikersand, Ted Dimitro, and record holder Pitso Mosimane. Following his championship-laden years, Hunt took charge of Kaizer Chiefs, Chippa United, and returned for a second stint at Super United. Before his latest chapter with Durban City, his next destination remains unclear, but given his pedigree, South African football will undoubtedly watch closely. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.